Master bedroom. Walks out to a deck out there. And then that's the backyard. And then walking towards the front of the street. And this is the kids' playroom. Plenty of room. Walk down. This is Sam's bathroom. Through here into his bedroom. This is right at the front of the house. Closet for Sam. Back out the other side. Sophia's room. And then a Jack and Jill bathroom for the girls. They each have their own sink. And then this would be Gracia, her bedroom, closet. And then she's actually at the back of the house. And you walk so down the stairs.
Yep.
And back to the front of the house. This would be the dining room. They have a pool table in here. And this is the formal living room at the front of the house, which would probably be an office. And then doorway out to the front. This is going to be Courtney's room, her own bathroom. So walking back doors, front doors in front, back of me. Gotta send this to my mom. Family room. Kitchen on the left.